let's perform this operation under modulus 21 minus 59 in the mode of 5. How do we get that? There are two ways we can do that. One way is to pick each of the number and operate it against the mode. As in this case, I'll have 21 in the mode of 4, then minus 59 in the mode of 4. Then I subtract the two answers. Now, in the case of this, we are looking for how many times in 4 dividing 21 and what will be the remainder. 4 will go here 5 times. So I'll be having 5 times 4, which is 20 plus 1, give me 21. So my answer is going to be 1. Alright, so let's hold on to this. Minus. Then, in the case of this, 4 will be going into 59, 14 times. So let's see, 14 times 4, and 14 times 4 will be, that will be 56, right? So 56 plus 3 also give rise to our 59. So in this case, the answer will be 1 mode 4 in the case of this, minus 3 mode 4 in this case. So what do we do? Remember, it was a subtraction with a common modulo, and we separated it with double modulo. Double modulo 1 minus 3, then the mode of 4. You can see we can do that, right? See, it was subtraction with a common modulo. We separate the modulo on them. Now we are having a separate modulo. We can perform the subtraction with a single mode. This will give you minus 2 in the mode of what? 4. Remember our last episode on the negative modulus. We said we can add the mode to the negative number until you get a positive value. So this will be minus 2 plus 4. That will be 2. Meaning the answer will be, therefore, 21 minus 51 in the mode of 4 will be nothing but what? 2. So this is what the answer will be if we were to perform the subtraction based on the mode on each term. We arrive at this value. Now, we can also pick the alternate method and see how that will look like. Alright, so what will be the alternate method or the second method? We are having 21 minus 59. Let's perform that subtraction, and you'll be having minus 38 in the mode of what? 4. Then in negative, we can continue to add the mode until we arrive at the positive answer, right? So minus 38 plus 4 will be minus 34. Minus 34 plus 4 minus 30. Plus 4 minus 28. You see that we keep on adding and reducing. That is also telling us how many times the 4 is being subtracted. That is division, right? Repeated subtraction is a division. So I'm going to divide the negative 38 by 4. If you do so, you'll be having 9 times 4 is 36. 10 times 4 is 40. So if we have negative attached to them, these are the values you'll be having. Negative 38 is below this. It's bigger than this, but me is below. We are putting it here. Negative 38 will come. Negative 40 will come in terms of arrangement. Alright. Then negative 40 is above. So I am going to pick the number above what I have, not the below one. Look at it. 4 will go here only 9 times. It will not get a chance to go into it 10 times. But because it is negative, we are picking the integer above that actual division. So that will be 10. So I'll be having my negative 10 times 4, which give rise to minus 40. But that is not what we are having here. So we need a positive value. When added to negative 40, will give rise to negative 38. And that is going to be, if we add 1, it reduces to negative 39. If you add 2, it reduces negative 32. So plus 2. So this 2 is the answer we are looking for. Remember the first method, the answer was 2. So therefore, 21 minus 59 in the mode of 4 will be equals to 2 or 2 mode 4, right? So I guess with these two methods, you'll be able to deal with subtractions of modulo that will lead to a negative integer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.